something real quick. Okay. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
All right, you just tell me when.
Go ahead.
All right, so your pipe is good until it gets to right this joint right here. And now it starts sinking underwater. And this is what we call a belly, where the pipe is actually dropped. And it could be, because it's plastic, it's very flexible, so it can actually bend underground. And we're about 15 feet out till we come back out. And it actually comes out of the water right at the transition between the house and the exterior piping that goes to the street. Right there. And that's where we come out of the water, and this is the PVC pipe that's in the yard that the contractor outside connects onto.
So this is about 10 feet outside of the foundation?
No, this is about 2 to 6 feet. It's about 6 feet outside the foundation, actually, this particular one.
So the part that's bellied is under the foundation?
It's under the foundation and into the room. It's about 15 feet.